Hi. Hi, it's Beverly again. And today I want to talk to you about tracking your income. Now, this isn't a whole budget. If you do a budget, that's awesome. Absolutely awesome. But so many of us don't because so many of us have gotten a negative connotation to the word budget. We felt like it was restricting, which is simply another thing we need to clear, which we'll do next week. But this is just tracking your income. Okay, so all you do, I'm going to attach a PDF and an Excel sheet. So you can use whichever one you want, but you don't have to use that. You can simply do it on a regular piece of paper or a notebook. It's really simple. Just put the days of the week or days of the month, and you put in how much money you bring in that day or how much you bring in value. Now, what do I mean by value? Value can be anything. It can be if somebody brings you a donut for breakfast, you just got something for free. Somebody paid for it, but you didn't. So you just got something free value. So you got value. Maybe somebody brings you a Coke. Maybe you go over to your in-laws or your parents to eat dinner. All of this is value. You find an extra bag of potato chips on your desk that somebody left you, or you do Secret Santas at Christmas time and you get those gifts. That's value. It doesn't matter if you also spent something for somebody else. It's whatever you are getting. Discounts count. It's savings. If you go to the store to buy something and lo and behold, it's 20% off and you didn't even know it. Woohoo! You just saved all that money. That's money in your pocket. So it counts. Everything counts. Now, the spreadsheet and the two spreadsheets that I'm attaching have it done by days of the month. But if you want to break it down even further, that's fine. I mean, you can write it down once at the end of every day, or you can write down 5 things a day. If different things happen. If you receive some money, let's say you received $10 as a repayment from somebody, they owed you money, they paid you back. And then you also got a free lunch. And then somebody gave you a Coke, or you went to the vending machine and you put in your dollar to get a candy bar and you got 2. You can put those down as separate things, or you can put it down as one thing. It's up to you. In the beginning, I found it much easier to do it one thing at a time, so I could actually see the real difference. As time goes on, some days I still do it a single thing at a time, and some days I do it as a whole. It's fascinating to find out because you start to see that there's abundance everywhere, and you are probably receiving a lot more than you realize. So start tracking your income. And like I said, don't forget the value of things that you get for free, because they count and they add up. There's also a blank there where you can add your goal for the month. You can add your money total, your value total, and then a grand total. Now, I did not put in any kind of formula for the Excel spreadsheet because it's really just, a copy of it. But you can add that in and whatever formula you want to add in, especially if you change any of the things over on the side. If you change where I have the dates, then you want to add that in yourself. Or you can add it to the bottom. Make it easier. Okay, so have fun. And I can't wait for you to start seeing that you're receiving a lot more than you thought. So start getting ready and see what you can do with this Foundations Week. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.